Yes, good afternoon students. Welcome to the mathematics class. So we have reached end of the quadratic equations chapters. So in our last classes we discussed about the quadratic equations chapter, no? So quadratic equations, in that you have got the standard form of the quadratic equations. You are able to identify the quadratic equation. Okay, so then how to find out the solutions of the quadratic equation using different methods. So we have learned factorization method, completing square method, and using the formula how to find out the roots of the quadratic equation. That much idea we got, no? Yes. So next we have to come to the topic nature of roots. In the last class we discussed the nature of roots also, right? No, so let us recall what we learned in the last class, nature of roots. So here I shared one page for you just to revise the nature of roots. Okay, see here, nature of roots. In that, mainly the nature of roots is depending upon the factor b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac is called as discriminant. B square minus 4ac is called as discriminant. So there are three cases in the nature of roots. First one is if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, in the sense inside the root sign you will get positive numbers. Inside the root sign you will get exactly positive number. Then there are two distinct and real roots. The nature of the roots are real and distinct. Why the word distinct comes here? Distinct in the sense two different roots will get. The roots in the form of minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, or minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, so these are in the roots, these are roots form. Okay, now second case, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Second case is if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then there are two equal and real roots. Roots are real. B square minus 4ac is equal to 0 in the sense inside the square sign you will get 0. For example, 33 minus 33, then we'll get 0. No, inside the root sign 0 is there, then you will get the roots are real, but you will get the repeated roots. Two roots are equal. So real and equal. Nature of the roots are real and equal. That is x is equal to minus b by 2a minus b by 2a are the two roots. Now third condition, third case is if b square minus 4ac is less than 0. If b square minus 4ac less than 0. Less than 0 in the sense inside the root sign negative numbers, then there are no real roots. Okay, then there are no real roots. We have to write the answer in the form of no real roots. Got the idea of this one now? This is about the nature of the roots. Now we have to work out the exercise problems related to this topic. Examples also we have to discuss. Examples we'll discuss after the exercise discussion. First we'll see the exercise only. Okay, exercise 10.4. Now we have to start exercise 10.4. 1 minute. Yes, students, we'll continue the class now. See here, exercise. First, exercise 10.4. First question we have to discuss now. Find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equations. Okay, find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equations. If the real roots exist, find them. So if roots are real, then you have to find them. Okay, so question is like this: 2x square minus 3x plus 5 which is equal to 0. 2x square minus 3x plus 5 which is equal to 0. Where a value is 2, b value is minus 3, c value is 5. First you have to write down these things. Okay, then you have to find out the nature of the roots. No, nature is depending upon the discriminant. Discriminant is b square minus 4ac. So discriminant which is equal to b square minus 4ac, then b square minus 3 whole square, that is 9, minus 4 into a value is 2, c value is 5. Then here 40 you will get minus 36. See, b square minus 36 is b square minus 4ac, you got the value as minus 36. Then what you observed here, minus 36 is less than 0 no, so you got the condition that b square minus 4ac is less than 0, so nature of the root, no real roots. Got the idea of this one? No real roots. Okay, so next second question, we'll work out the second problem. 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 which is equal to 0. 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 which is equal to 0. A value is 3, B value is minus 4 root 3, C value is 4. Okay, so discriminant you have to find out, B square minus 4AC, B value is minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into A value is 3, C value is 4. Substitute and simplification. See, minus 4 root 3 whole square. We have to apply the square for minus, then minus square is plus, 4 square is 16, then root 3 whole square is 3, 16 3s are 48, minus 4 into 3 into 4, that is also 48, 48 minus 48 which is equal to 0. Real roots exist, roots are real, 0 in the sense b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 in the sense roots are real. What is the form of roots actually? Minus b by 2a minus b by 2a. How minus b by 2a you all know no? If you want the explanation for this concept, then x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Divided by 2a. Then x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac. Minus b plus or minus, if b square minus 4ac is 0, then minus b plus or minus root 0. Root 0 is 0 only. X is equal to minus b by 2a is remaining. This will be remaining. Roots are real and equal, so you will get minus b by 2a. The two roots are minus b by 2a and minus b by 2a. Now substitute b value. B value here you have minus 4 root 3. Minus of minus 4 root 3, that is plus 4 root 3. Then here again 4 root 3. 2a. 2 into 3, that is 6. Okay, 6. Got the idea? No need to apply the quadratic formula from the beginning. Directly you can take the roots. So if the roots are real and equal nature you got, then roots are in the form of minus b by 2a minus b by 2a. Then substitute just b and a value in the respected values. Okay, then you will get here answer 2 root 3 divided by 3 into 2 root 3 divided by 3. Here you just observe 2 root 3 divided by 3. 2 root 3 divided by 3. So here 3 you can write it in the form of root 3 into root 3 now. So 2 root 3 you take as it is, divided by 3 you can take root 3 into root 3. Okay, root 3 into root 3. So 1 second, 2 root 3 divided by, again here root 3 into root 3. So root 3 get cancelled, here also root 3 get cancelled. 2 divided by root 3 and here also 2 divided by root 3. So the roots are 2 by root 3 and 2 by root 3. Yes, Soumya Hegde sent one message that, what message that is here? So minus 9 minus 40 here. Okay. Thank you, Soumya. Here we are observing that there is a small mistake in the subtraction process. No? Yes, 9 minus 40 is minus 31. Okay, you just correct that one, students. Okay. So, okay, sometimes this happens. No? So, this one is minus 31. Anyhow, negative value only will get. No? Yes, make it minus 31. Thank you, Soumya. Okay, minus 31 we have to take. Yes, of course, first question is minus 31 is less than 0 only. So, the answer is no real roots only. Got the idea? Yes, next problem. Second question, you have got the idea now? Yes, now the third question is like this. Third question. 2x square minus 6x plus 3 which is equal to 0. 2x square minus 6x plus 3 which is equal to 0, where a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 6 and c is equal to 3. First you have to find out the discriminant. Discriminant is b square minus 4ac, that is 36 minus 4 into 6, 36 minus 24, that is 12. 12 is greater than 0, no? So real roots, real and distinct. Nature of the roots you have to write complete. Real roots and distinct roots. So roots are in the form of x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Anyhow, you will get minus b plus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a and minus b minus root 4 b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay. So now x is equal to, substitute formula method, direct formula method. B value is, okay, 6, minus 6 actually. B value is minus 6, that's why plus 6. Minus into minus plus 6. Plus or minus 6 square is 36. Minus 4 into a into c is 24 divided by 4. 6 plus or minus root 12 divided by 4. Then 6 plus or minus 12, we can take it in the form of 4 3s are 12. Then you can take 2 root 4 outside, that is 2 root 3. 6 plus 2 root 3 divided by 4. Plus or minus is there, okay. Then roots are 6 plus 2 root 3 divided by 4 and 6 minus 2 root 3 divided by 4. Here you can take 2 common factor. Then 3 plus the root 3 divided by 4. Here 2 into 3 minus root 3 divided by 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are 3 plus root 3 by 2. Here 3 minus root 3 divided by 2. These are the roots. Got the idea now? Just as formula method. Okay. Now second main. Now we have to work out the second main question. Second main question is like this. Find the values of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have two equal roots. Okay. Find the values of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have two equal roots. So see here, we have to find out the values of k for each of the following quadratic equations. Some quadratic equations are given, so that they have two equal roots. Roots are equal and real in the sense which condition? B square minus 4ac is equal to 0 now. That condition we have to use here. First question is 2x square plus kx plus 3 which is equal to 0. To have equal roots, the discriminant must be equal to 0 now. Yes, to have equal roots, the discriminant must be equal to 0. A is equal to 2, B is equal to K, C is equal to 3. So, discriminant which is equal to B square minus 4AC which is equal to 0 we have to take. Here 2 is actually strike out ಮಾಡಿದಾಳೆ. B square minus 4AC which is equal to 0 ಬರಬೇಕು. Now, B value is K square minus 4 into A value is 2, C value is 3 which is equal to 0. Then K square minus 4 into minus 24 right now which is equal to 0. Then K square is equal to plus 24, K is equal to square root of 24. So K is equal to square root of 4 into 6. That is K is equal to plus or minus 2 root 6. K is equal to plus or minus 2 root 6. Got the idea of this one? Okay. Next, kx into x minus 2 plus 6 which is equal to 0. Second one. See here, k value you got plus or minus 2 root 6. Okay. K value is plus or minus 2 root 6. Got the idea now? Yes. Next, did you got the same answer, students? Are you all there now? While screen sharing, so we'll continue with our own way. So one-way teaching actually. Just I want to show the answers parts to you. Just verify your answers later. When 5 minutes we'll discuss your doubts. Okay. Yes. So is it right, students? K value is plus or minus 2 root 6. Okay. Yes. Now we'll work out another question. Kx into x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. First we have to remove this bracket and we have to convert this in the form of quadratic equation. That is kx into x is kx square minus kx into 2 is 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. Now you just observe this is a quadratic equation, standard quadratic equation form. A value is k, B value is minus 2k and C value is 6. Now discriminant. Discriminant is b square minus 4ac. So we have to take discriminant which is equal to 0 now. So then substitute the values 4k square minus 4 into k into 6. Then 4k square which is equal to minus 24k. What next? Next step we'll see. Yeah, here she took 0 actually. 4k square minus 24k which is equal to 0. Then 4k is common, k minus 6 which is equal to 0. Then transfer this 4k to this side divided by 4k. So k minus 6 is equal to 0 by 4k is 0 only. K minus 6 is equal to 0 we got. Then k value is equal to plus 6. We got the k value that is equal to plus 6. Got the idea of this one, students? K value is equal to plus 6. Okay. Yes. Next problem. Is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth and the area is 800 meters square? If so, sadhya idre, find its length and breadth. What is this if so condition? Why this if so condition is there? So just we have to see the nature of the roots. In the nature of the roots, if we got roots are real, okay, so then we can continue. Is it this situation is possible? If the roots are not real, then this situation is not possible. We cannot continue or we cannot find length and breadth. Okay, let us read the problem again. Is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth? Length is twice its breadth and the area is 800 meters square. This type of statement, how to express this in the form of quadratic equation, you all know, no? Let the breadth we are taking, because here the description of length is given in the sense, we are taking breadth be x. Let breadth be x. We are taking the breadth as x. Then length will be 2x because length is twice its breadth. Got the idea, no? Breadth is x, then length will be 2x. Then area is 800 meters square. What is the area of rectangle? That is L into B. Length into breadth which is equal to 800 meters square. Length we are taking as x, 2x, and breadth we have to take as x which is equal to 800. 2x into x is 2x square is equal to 800. Take this 800 to this side, then 2x square minus 800 is equal to 0. Then after simplification divided by 2, then x square minus 400 is equal to 0. X square minus 400 is equal to 0. Then a value is 1, b value is 0, c value is minus 400. Here b term is absent, no x term is absent. Coefficient of x is okay 0, that's why b is 0 here. Now, discriminant we have to find. B square minus 4ac, that is 0 minus 4 into 1 into minus 400, that is plus 1600. Discriminant we got positive number, that is greater than 0. So greater than 0 in the sense nature is roots are real. Roots are real. Then it is possible to design a rectangular mango grove. Yes. Is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove? Yes, because we got the discriminant positive value. Yes. So if so, find length and breadth. Now we have to find the length and breadth using formula method. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Then b value is 0 plus or minus square root of, here we got b square minus 4ac in the last step only. Directly we can substitute that only in the place of b square minus 4ac, that is 1600 divided by 2. Then 1600, if we remove the square, okay, then we will get the answer 40 by 2. 40 by 2 is 20. So breadth is 20. Then length is twice of the breadth is nothing but 40 meter. Got the idea of this problem? No, simple problem, no student. So we all know how to express this statement problem into quadratic equation problem. That's it, same to same problem, but just we have to find out the nature of the roots in this section. Okay, so next fourth question. Once we'll finish the discussion, later we'll talk. Okay, yes. Is the following situation possible? Again, same question. Is the following situation possible? So we have to see the nature of the roots. Then only we can give the answer that yes, it is possible or not possible. If so, determine their present ages. If so, sadhyate idre, determine their present ages. The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. Okay, sum of the ages of two friends ಇಬ್ರು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಏಜಸ್ ಕೂಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ 20 years. 4 years ago, 4 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ, the product of their ages in years was 48. 4 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ ಅವರ ಏಜ್ ನ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ 48. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ನ ಏಜ್ ಅನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು x. ಲೆಟ್ ದ ಏಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಒನ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಬಿ x. This is not a linear equation in two variable, no? So we have to take another friend age b. ಇಬ್ರದು ಸೇರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ 20. Another friend age ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 20 minus first friend age ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಆ ಟೋಟಲ್ 20 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಫ್ರೆಂಡಿನ ಏಜ್ ಅನ್ನ ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡಿನ ಏಜ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ದ ಏಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಒನ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಬಿ x, then the age of other friend will be 20 minus x. Got the idea of this one? Yes. According to statement, 4 years ago, 4 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ ಇವನ ಏಜ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ x minus 4. ಈ ಫ್ರೆಂಡಿನ ಏಜು 20 minus x minus 4. ಇಬ್ರದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ 48. ಏಜಿನ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ 48. ಸೊ x minus 4 into 20 minus x minus 4 is equal to 48. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ. 4 years ago, first friend age is x minus 4. Second friend age, another friend age is 20 minus x minus 4. That type also you can take. According to statement, product of their ages is equal to 48. Now, x minus 4 into 20 minus x minus 4 is equal to 48. X minus 4 you take as it is, then 20 minus x minus 4 is 16 minus x, which is equal to 48. Then your multiplication actually, x into 16 is 16x, then x into minus x is minus x square, minus 4 into 16 is minus 64, minus into minus plus, that is 4x, which is equal to 48. Then here minus x square plus 20x minus 64 minus 48 is equal to 0. Then minus x square plus 20x. Here minus 112, which is equal to 0. Now we have to see the nature of the roots, no? See here a value will keep minus only, or you can multiply the whole equation by negative sign to remove the first negative sign. Okay, here we are taking the equation as it is. A value is minus 1, b value is 20, c value is minus 112. Find out the discriminant. B square minus 4ac. B value is 400, sorry, B is 20, 20 square is 400, minus 4 into A value is minus 1, C value is minus 112. Okay, then 400 minus 448. Here you got the answer minus 48. So minus 48 is less than 0 in the sense discriminant B square minus 4AC is less than 0. Okay, B square minus 4AC is less than 0. That's why this equation does not have any real roots. This situation is not possible. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅವ್ರ ಏಜ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಸಿಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ಗಾಟ್ ದ ನೇಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರೂಟ್ಸ್, ನಾಟ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್. ಗಾಟ್ ದ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನೌ? Yes. Now, fifth question. Okay. Is it possible to design a rectangular path? Again, we got the question for rectangle. Is it possible to design a rectangular path of perimeter 80 meter? Perimeter 80 meter is given, area 400 meter square is given. Okay, perimeter 80, area 400 meter square. If so, find its length and breadth. If so, find its length and breadth. So in one example problem we discussed this type of problem. So let x be the length. Okay, x be the length. Let x be the length and y be the breadth. Here we are taking x and y. So you got confused, no? Mataji, it is a quadratic equation topic. If we consider x and y, then it forms a linear equation in two variables. Don't worry. X and y we have to take, okay? We are considering here because nothing is given about the x and y. 2 times, 3 times, 1 more than the breadth. ಆ ತರ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು x ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಿತ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ತರದೇನು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? Perimeter of the rectangular path is 80, area is 400, length breadth find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. That type of situation, in that type of situation you have to take length, x be the length and y be the breadth. Okay, rectangular path. We all know the perimeter formula, 2 into L plus V. perimeter of the rectangle is 2 into L plus B, okay, which is equal to 80. Here we are taking length as x, breadth as y, that is 2 into x plus y is equal to 80. Then x plus y is equal to this 80 divided by 2 is 40. Then x is equal to 40 minus y. We are converting this x plus y is equal to 40 in the form of x is equal to 40 minus y. Got the idea of this one? Okay, next. L into B, length into breadth is equal to 400. Here, area is given. That is, area is 400. Here, according to perimeter, we got this result, 40 minus y. Now, L into B, which is equal to 400. L is x, breadth is y is equal to 400. Now, x value is 40 minus y. No, we have to substitute this x is equal to 40 minus y here. Then it converts all the y variable, okay, or you can convert this in the form of y is equal to 40 minus x also. Here in place of y also you can substitute y is equal to 40 minus x. That is your choice, either x form or y form, that is your wish. Okay, now x we are taking 40 minus y into y, which is equal to 400. Multiplication, 40 into y is 40y minus y into y minus y square, which is equal to 400. So same to same problem we worked out in the last classes, no? Yes. Now we got the equation in the form of minus y square plus 40y minus 400, which is equal to 0. Minus y square plus 40y minus 400 is equal to 0, where a value is minus. See here, y, one variable only, power is 2. Is it a quadratic equation? Yes, of course, this is a quadratic equation. A is equal to minus 1, B is equal to 40, C is equal to minus 400. So discriminant B square minus 4AC, which is equal to 0 we got here. After the simplification we got 0. Therefore, the equation has real roots. It is possible to design a rectangular park for the given condition, right? Now, then roots are real. 0 we got. Roots are real and also equal. Nature is roots are real and also equal. Therefore, equal roots are always in the form of minus b by 2a minus b by 2a. That is minus 40 divided by minus 2 minus 40 divided by minus 2, that is equal to 20. Length and breadth both are 20. Okay, so length and breadth both are 20 meter. Got the idea of this concept, students? I think this is the end of the exercise part now. Okay, do you have any confusion in the exercise part? Just discuss fast. Otherwise, I'll start with the example questions. So, this is the end of the exercise. Okay, 10.4. So, that implies that quadratic equations chapter is over. Just we have to discuss the example problems, not all the example problems, only one example problem I'll explain. Remaining all the example problems are easy only. Okay, so got the idea of this one now? How many of you prepared notes of this chapter? How many of you prepared the notes by yourself for this chapter? Yes, fast. No one? How many of you prepared the notes of this chapter? Okay, Shreya, your notes is ready. Okay, students, now let us discuss the example problems related to nature of roots. So, example 16, in your textbook, example 16 question number is example 16. In the last class only we discussed that example 16. Just I want to recall that example 16 once. Find the discriminant of the quadratic equation 2x square minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0, and hence find the nature of its roots. Okay, so given equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a value is 2, b value is minus 4, c value is 3. Nature of roots is depending upon b square minus 4ac. Just find out the value of b square minus 4ac, which is equal to minus 8 we got actually. Minus 8 is less than 0. So the nature of the root, which is equal to no real roots. Nature of the roots is no real roots. Got the idea of this problem, student? Yes. Next one. Example 17. Example 17 you have to see now. A pole has to be erected at a point on the boundary of a circular park. Now park is in the shape of circle. Okay. A pole has to be erected. Pole ಒಂದಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಇರಬೇಕು ಆಯ್ತಾ. So boundary of a circular park of diameter 13 meters. So circular park diameter is given, that is 13. Okay. In such a way that, okay, so difference of its distance from two diametrically opposite fixed gates A and B. Opposite fixed gates A and B on the boundaries is 7 meters. Afterwards, with the diagram, I'll explain this statement. Okay. Is it possible to do so? Itara madlik sadhya idya? Okay. If yes, at what distance from the two gates should the pole is erected? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಟೂ ಗೇಟ್ಸ್, ಎರಡು ಗೇಟ್ ಇಂದ ಆ ಪೋಲ್ ನ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್, see here, circular part. Diameter is 13. Diameter is 13 meter. No, so opposite faces, diameter na opposite ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಗೇಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, A and B. So ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಪೋಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ, P be the point. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. Let us read the problem again. Diagram is like this. Okay, a pole has to be erected at a point on the boundary of a circular park of diameter 13 meters in such a way that difference of its distance from two diametrically opposite fixed gates. Two diametrically opposite fixed gates ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ A ಮತ್ತೆ B ತಾನೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈ A ಮತ್ತೆ B ಇಂದ ಎರಡು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇನ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಈ ಪೋಲಿಗೆ ಇರೋ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಈ ಪೋಲಿಗೆ ಇರೋ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್, ಇವೆರಡರ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ 7 ಮೀಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. AP minus BP or BP minus AP is 7 ಮೀಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಸೊ ಡಯಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕಲಿ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಗೇಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಈ ಪೋಲ್ ಗಿರೋ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇನ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ 7 ಮೀಟರ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಎ ಗೇಟ್ ಇಂದ ಪಿ ಗಿರೋ ಇದು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ AP ಆಯ್ತು, ಬಿ ಗೇಟ್ ಇಂದ ಪಿ ಗಿರೋ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ BP ಆಯ್ತು. AP minus BP 7 or BP minus AP is 7. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಹೇಗ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೋದಲ್ವಾ, ಅವ್ರು AP ಮೈನಸ್ BP ನೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ BP ಮೈನಸ್ AP ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಗಾಟ್ ದ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್? ಓಕೆ, ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್? ಈ ತರದ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಲೆಟ್ P ಬಿ ದ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪೋಲ್. P ಬಿ ದ, ಇದು ಪೋಲ್ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೋಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ let the distance of the pole from the gate B be x. So B in the distance of the pole ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಇದನ್ನ x ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. So let B in the P ಗೆ ಇರೋ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ x ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. Okay, next BP is equal to x meter. Now the difference of the distance of the pole from the two gates, that is difference of the two gates in the sense AP minus BP, which is equal to 7 meter. It is given actually. AP minus BP, which is equal to 7 meter. We are considering this BP, which is equal to x. Let BP, which is equal to x, distance of the pole from the B gate we are considering as x. Then difference between the A gate to pole and B gate to pole, which is equal to 7 meter. That is the condition is AP minus BP, which is equal to 7 meter. So we all know BP is equal to x, right? Now, so then AP minus BP is x, which is equal to 7. Then AP, which is equal to 7. Let us transfer this x to this side, plus x. AP we got 7 plus x. Got the idea of this one now, students? AP is equal to 7 plus x. Here AP we got 7 plus x. See here, x, we are considering BP as x. AP 7 plus x. AB is given 13. Then which concept we have to apply here? Don't see the textbook. It is clearly given that AB is the diameter of the circle. Diameter end points AB, it is extended to point P, that is pole point. So there, what happened? Pythagoras theorem. Okay, Rashmi gave the answer that Pythagoras theorem, but who told that it is a right angle triangle? Or in question mention madillala. APB, is it a right angle triangle? Why it is right angle triangle? As angle subtended by the diameter. You all know one topic, circle topic in 9th standard. We all learned one topic. Angle subtended by the diameter is always 90 degree. Correct? Diameter na ಎರಡು ಎಂಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸರ್ಕಂಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ನ ಒಂದು ತುದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಸೆಮಿ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. ಸೆಮಿ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಮಿ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ನ ಎರಡು ಎಂಡ್ ಇಂದ ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ 90 degree ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಆಂಗಲ್ ಸಬ್ಟೆಂಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ದ diameter, okay, which is equal to 90 degree. So then APB is a right angle triangle. Yes, angle APB is equal to 90 degree. What reason you will write here? Angle subtended by the angle subtended by the semicircle also you can take. Okay, angle subtended by the ends of the diameter. Okay, that type reason you have to take. APB 90 degree, in the sense we can apply Pythagoras theorem. So square on the hypotenuse, which is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. Here AB square, which is equal to AP square plus PB square or BP square. Pythagoras theorem. Can you continue that one? Pythagoras theorem. AB is 13 square, which is equal to AP is 7 plus x the square plus BP is x square. Next, 13 square, which is equal to 169. 169, which is equal to 7 plus x square. We have to apply a plus b whole square. That is a square is 49. 2 into 7 into x is 14x. Plus x square plus x square. Okay, then 1 6 here will work out. Where will work out? Can I write here? Can I write here? Yes. Now 169 is equal to 49 plus 14x plus x square plus x square. X square plus x square is 2x square. Can I transfer? Sorry, we can take 169 only this side now. We'll make this side 0. 0, which is equal to, first x square will write 2x square, then plus 14x, then 169 ikkada bandra minus 169. 49 minus 169. Let us write that step. Okay, confusion agod beda. 49 minus 169. That is 0 is equal to 2x square plus 14x. 49 minus 169, how much? 49 minus 169. Minus answer you will get, no? Yes, fast. How much? Yes, thank you, Akshay. Minus 120. And here, thank you also on Vijay Naik and Sana Shetty. Oh, Sana Shetty, thank you. 2x square plus 14x minus 120 is equal to 0. We got the equation 2x square plus 14x minus 120 is equal to 0. Got the idea of this one? Yes, minus 120 is equal to 0. Now we have to check. So they are asking, is it possible to do so? Now we have to see the nature of the roots. So for the nature of the roots, we have to see discriminant b square minus 4ac is equal to. Now what is the value of a here? A value is 2, b value is 14, c is minus 120. Now we have to substitute this abc in the discriminant place. B value is 14, 14 square minus 4 into A value is 2 and C value is minus 120. Okay, now 14 14 into 14, you forgot the square numbers you have by hearted, no? Yes, 196 minus into minus plus. Here minus into minus plus. 4 2s are 8. 8 into 120. 8 into 120. 8 into 120. Then 196 plus 960, how much? 196 plus 96, how much? Fast. 01156. Okay. 1156. Okay. 1156 is a positive value. So we got the nature b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Right now is greater than 0. Therefore roots are real and distinct. Roots are real and distinct. Roots are real and distinct. Can you continue further? So using quadratic formula, you can find out the roots, no? Yes, it is in your textbook part only. In the textbook, they have got answer minus 7 plus or minus 17 divided by 2. After the simplification, x is equal to plus 5 and x is equal to minus 12 answer baratte. But we have to take the positive value because distance ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ plus 5 answer ನ choose ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. x is equal to 5. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ gate ಇಂದ ಈ ಕಂಬಕ್ಕೆ ಇರೋ distance 5, then here 7 plus 5 which is equal to 12. Got the idea of this concept, students? Got the idea of this problem? No? Whole problem. Can you write this problem in your notebook? Can you complete this question in your notebook? Yes. Okay. Now example 18. Example 18. Find the discriminant of the equation 3x square minus 2x plus 1 by 3 which is equal to 0. And hence find the nature of its root. Find them if they are real. Ad real agidre find out ಮಾಡಿ roots inna anta ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Here a value is 3, b value is minus 2, c is 1 by 3. Therefore b square minus 4ac is minus 2 whole square minus 4 into 3 into 1 by 3. There you will get 4 minus 4 0. b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 condition you will get. So the quadratic equation has two equal roots. Equal roots, real roots ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ minus b by 2a minus b by 2a. Minus b by 2a minus b by 2a ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus of minus 2 plus 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ b value is also minus 2. Minus b ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. So minus of minus 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ plus 2 divided by 2 into 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 6. 2 by 6, 2 by 6 ಅಂದ್ರೆ simplify ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 2 ones are 2 threes are 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Can you write the examples? All the examples you have to write it in your notebook. Got the idea of this one, students? Yes. Yes, I think we have finished all the examples and exercise of the quadratic equations chapter. Do you have any confusion regarding this? Do you have any confusion regarding this, students? If you want to discuss anything, now you have time to discuss. Otherwise, so this is the end of the quadratic equations chapter. Got the idea of the quadratic equations chapter, no? Yes. See, quadratic equations and linear equation into variables questions ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ confusion ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಾನು ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಇನ್ ಟೂ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಇನ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಪ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಬೈಫರ್ಗೇಟ್, ಇವನ್ ನಾವು ಕೆಲವೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ ಬೈಫರ್ಗೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ. ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಓಕೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬೈಫರ್ಗೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಇನ್ ಟೂ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಇನ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಕಳಿಸ್ತೇನೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಓಕೆ. Yes. So next period we'll discuss assignment. In the next class we'll discuss assignment problems. Okay. Yes. Do you have any confusion regarding this? Next is triangle assignment. No. Third assignment is linear equations in two variable. No. Okay. First we'll discuss triangle assignment. Then we'll discuss linear equation in two variables assignment. Got the idea of this quadratic equation, students? Do you want to discuss anything? Yes. Okay. So the quadratic equation chapter is over now. prepare for yourself for the examination. Okay, just I'll stop the recording portion. Don't go anywhere.